Alright YouTube, what's up man? Welcome back. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but today what we're going to do, we're going to install these running boards. It's just that. They look kind of big, but when you see them in the truck, they're going to look pretty good.
And they're aluminum. They're not like plastic or anything like that.
I got them from pretty much off Amazon. I think they're like $2.50, something like that. I'm pretty sure most running boards are pretty easy to install. But this just uses these brackets like that. This is going to go in the inside of your truck, and then this is where the running board itself mounts on. And alright, so what we're going to use today, you don't need this, but this makes it a lot easier to screw those bolts in and stuff. But where's the so we're going to use a 10, and I don't know what this is.
I think it's a 14.
And a 14. So just requires a bolt like that. You got to put the reducing washer, the
lock washer?
The lock washer and the washer itself. And then this is what it's gonna mount to once I show you where to take those holes out. And the good thing about this, you don't have to draw anything. These are for the running boards. Just a nut and a washer and a screw.
Yeah, it's a direct bolt on.
Yeah, so it's direct bolt on. I guess you choose whatever fits your car or not, or your truck, sorry. And this is a 2021 Chevy Colorado crew cab, and well, yeah, we're just gonna install them. Oh, and I'm also gonna use a little bit of Loctite for the ones that go on the body, just a little bit, like literally like a little dab.
That's that blue one.
Yeah, it's the blue one. You want to be able to get that bolt off eventually, right?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll take the camera and I'll show you guys. All right, so right here, if you bring the camera over here, we just gotta pop those out here and here. And you see these holes? That's where that piece of metal goes in. So let me pop them out and then we'll show you.
Pickler.
Just in this one. Yeah, right. Oh,
that's even better, right?
it works. Okay, so this literally just slides in there. You kind of just put it in that groove. There we go. That's it. And then this one slides. And remember, this part goes in the inside. So the screw goes through there. And this one you just slide in there. And that's it right there too.
Alright.
So let's go back out here. So you just do the same steps, take these out. Now the one I use is the one right here. This to me was closer to the middle. So we're gonna take the ones that are here and then the front ones. Because there's also another one somewhere here. But this only comes with three brackets. So anyways, we'll take those off and then we'll install the boards. I'll show you how to install this as well. But yeah, so we'll be back. Go. Okay, so now you get your bracket, your two screws, and we'll just go back under the car. Easy peasy. All right, so, oh, sorry. There's one at the top. Now I'm just gonna do this just hand tied for now. I gotta take them back out to put the Loctite, and then I'll tighten them all up. But this is just for me to hold so I could hold the running board. So quick. Okay. So yeah, just hand tight. That's pretty much it.
There. And that.
Now you're just gonna repeat the process for the other two. So put the brackets there. I don't know if David wants to record it or not, but we're just gonna repeat it real quick.
Yeah, so we'll be back.
Yeah. All right, so now we got the brackets in. They're still loose, so we can move them around, make them straight and stuff. Now, what you're gonna do is literally put that in there. See, it matches square to square.
Hold on, you know what? Hold on, give me a second.
Yeah,
Just
a little dark.
Yeah, it's a little dark.
So just square to square, not, you know, not like that. Square to square, and then slide. And same thing over here, slide. I'm gonna give these to David so he can slide the other side.
Yeah, so.
And you don't need 2 people, but I like having 2 people so I can, you know, adjust it, and he can help me hold it. So I got these middle ones already slid in here. So we're just gonna put this on the bracket now.
Yeah, that's
Put it
too.
in the stand real quick.
Hold on. Those are going in these holes, right here.
Oh yeah, I didn't even mention that.
Yeah, that's why we're putting them in.
I pushed mine all the way in, and something I didn't mention, but from what it looks like when I'm looking at this stuff, there's not a left side or a right side. This is pretty much, you can put one on the left, put one on the right. So just so you know, it's, you know, you don't have to be like, oh, is this the left one or is this the right one?
Yeah. So, but this is how it looks
Like
when it's on.
Says,
hold on.
Yeah.
Sorry. Give me a second. Eliminate the shadow. Nice. All right.
All right. So on the paper it says passenger and driver, but literally it's the same thing. I don't see any difference. Now, if I did it wrong, obviously tell me, but I don't see any difference. All right, so now we're just gonna put these. It's pretty much a nut and a washer. 2, you know, 2 here, 2 there, and 2 on the other side. Washer goes first, and then nut goes like this. It is like this, not like this, like this. All right, put those on. And I'm just gonna get them so they hold, and then we're gonna drill it with this. But you could also use your ratchet.
Damn, thumbs up for a lift kit or what?
Yeah, please no.
Dang, get enough likes to give it a.
This is the work
like
by the way, so please no lift kit.
give it a 6-inch lift or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, America.
I mean, it would look pretty cool though.
Or some underglow.
But this guy.
In a
I can see myself now getting my ladder off the 6-inch lift.
or
I'm
big
gonna need a
old
ladder
wing.
for the ladder. Just get in the ground.
So,
It's got the measuring tape right here, right?
the measuring tape?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so where's that measuring tape?
Oh, right here.
You got the light?
It's over there by the tool bag.
So what I'm gonna do is let's go on this side real quick.
Sorry if it's too dark.
So I'm sure there's better ways. But I'm just gonna measure from here to here.
You're gonna have to shine the light when you point.
Hopefully the splash guard didn't move. So 5 3/4, I'll say. Alrighty. Let's see. That's kind of easy. Last thing I want someone to be like, hey man, it's not level.
Right.
It's not straight.
That's good already?
Yeah, it's good. So I'm just gonna tighten the one on the running board first.
You gonna put Loctite on that one or no?
Nah.
No.
Oh, and I guess you can measure if you want to make them like super straight. You gotta turn this way.
Oh, like this?
Now I'm just gonna eyeball it. See, that looks kind of already.
Oh, because of the little bracket, right?
Yeah, the bracket to me kind of looks straight right there. So I'm gonna tighten this first. Wow. First cut the 5 3/4. Alright, yeah. I'm just tightening them like gently into the stops right now, and then I'll tighten them with my hand. That actually looks kind of straight.
Yeah, and that'll end up being hand tight.
Yeah.
With some little bit of left tight.
You don't want it to be a righty tighty, and then
going from righty tighty to lefty loosey real quick.
Yeah, you might have to repeat that again because I think I made too much noise.
You made too much noise?
Yeah.
You don't want it to go from righty tighty to lefty loosey real quick. meaning you broke or you stripped it. I mean.
Okay, cool. So now we just gotta tighten those big bolts, and we'll put a little bit of Loctite, just a tiny bit.
You already told him about the Loctite for what, right?
Yeah, I mean, so it doesn't go, it doesn't unthread.
Yeah.
Then loosen up, and then you step on it, and then you fall, and you, worst case scenario, you'll die or something. But
yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, and by the way, these are from what my neighbor told me. He's a pretty smart guy. He's got the same ones too. And he told me you should probably put some grip on here, or else you're just gonna like slip and then bash your head, and then you'll never be able to walk again or something.
Yeah.
No, but seriously, put some grip tape on here. All right. Where's the? Oh.
You're gonna get a bolt out.
They're hand tight, right? So. And I'm not taking both of them out. I'm just taking one out, and then I'll tighten one at a time. You want to put the little dab Loctite in there? Or no?
You.
It's because for me it's kind of a little bit of angle.
Oh. So, second. Is it open already?
I think it just twists off a little.
Oh. So, just gonna put. Just a little amount, just like that. Yep.
Okay. I'm not gonna tighten this all the way either. I'm just gonna tighten it snug, or hand tight, whatever, or whatever this tool's called tight. Just so
the electric
the other
ratchet.
one. All right.
Yeah, the electric ratchet.
Yeah, electric ratchet. Electric Avenue. Alright, here comes the second bolt.
Oh,
Dab me.
dab you with this guy.
How you feeling now, Mr. Caps?
Since you dropped like half of the bottle on the floor.
Yeah. Alright. Now I'm gonna tighten everything. I'm gonna use that a little bit too. Now I'm just gonna do this hand tight as well, like, once you feel it tight, just go a little bit and that's it.
Little quarter-inch turn.
Yeah. I'm not gonna go too crazy. with a good tight. Okay, tight. So there you go. That's it. That was actually pretty tight. Okay, that's it. Take the 10 out as well. And just tighten these two real quick.
So 14.
That was already pretty tight. That's it, just a little bit. These don't go too crazy. Just a little bit, like literally like that.
No, because it's the piece is aluminum, and you don't want to strip.
All right, and I'm just gonna do the rest of them real quick as David put the Loctite on it.
And we'll come back.
Yeah, should be pretty easy. All right, so we installed them, pretty sturdy. You know, I'm a big guy. This is actually the 6-inch one. They make the 4-inch one as well, and I think 5-inch as well. And I'll put the link in the description where I got these. Again, Amazon, but I'll link it in the description. And yeah, these are pretty much good. Look, test them out real quick. Ooh.
Don't worry, they're being broken in.
All right. I'm just gonna take their advice for it. But anyways, this is pretty much the installation, and we'll see you guys next time. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe. But before you go, don't go yet. Don't go yet. We got some good and bad news, but just make sure you put your notifications on, because you might want to see what's next this time for sure. But if you haven't checked out our other videos, you know, check them out. But see you guys later.
So this is how it looks on the truck. So 6-inch sticks out just like that. Then let's see.
Okay, that's what I meant about the grip tape.
And we out here in Harbor Chevrolet. Got a big surprise. Danny is inside over there, just waiting for him to come out. And you're gonna see what he got. Damn, so what is Danny up to? What is Danny up to? Let's go ask him. So what, did it happen or no?
Yeah. Oh,
Damn, recorded.
I was like, what is this guy doing?
Damn, you see that truck over there?
Go over there or not?
Yeah, let's go over there. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. For real. Dang, congrats. Chevy. All the way.
I probably should take a